I know exactly what you're thinking. Why are you still messing with these freaking flagpoles? Well, this is me realizing I didn't drill the holes big enough, and yep, there goes the face. I messed up. Hey, but welcome to the channel.
You better hurry if you want some footage.
No, it's still running. I have no choice. I have no choice.
The choice he has none.
Oh no! Oh, there we go. Yep.
Notice how he left the window down, but he's right in the puddle.
Yep.
So where's my damn dog? Oh Lord. Maybe you should have. I got that. Hey, free wheel wash. Should have picked a bigger puddle to get in.
Yep. I'm gonna. Yep. I lost the lug nuts in the water. I don't know where they're at.
I feel like they may have washed downstream.
They're still waiting on that. I know. The other day we were breaking, wet and wild.
My neighbor across the street brought us, she's Nigerian, and she brought us some Nigerian food to try. She does have an Instagram that she sells the food on, and I would love to give her a shout out, so you guys go follow her. I'm gonna put it right here.
The smell-o-vision on this.
That does smell pretty good, actually. So we got, her Instagram's gonna be right here. If you guys are local and want some Nigerian food, definitely try it out. It's amazing. So it looks like we got some kind of
like chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice,
Bone-in
or it might be pork or something maybe, because I see a bone in it. But look, that looks so good on the camera. It really does. Huge shout out to my neighbor across the street. I'm not gonna say her name because I'm gonna try and keep it private, but she is the GOAT. So most of you guys probably know, and for those of you that don't, I do have 4-inch spacers. Wow, hit my camera with the door. I've got 4-inch spacers on the front and 2-inch spacers on the back, so that puts me at 4 inches wider than stock all the way around, and I do have 14 wide. So technically I've got about 18 inches of wheel and tire spacer total on the truck. Now there's really no issues with that. I haven't run into any issues except for this one issue that we're going to fix today, and that is and normally this would not be an issue when I just had no spacers on the front and the 2-inch in the back, but pushing everything out 2 inches has put this kind of in the no-go area. So we're gonna fix that today. My front tires are getting cut by the bumper, and I'll show you here. So my front tires are getting cut by the bumper up here, kind of sharp right there. You can see this one's not as bad. Definitely got a couple little cuts in it. This side is definitely a lot worse over here. Definitely got some nice cuts in the tire. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna pull the truck in, and I'm gonna sand this corner down a little bit and try and clean this up. And hopefully, you know, that's kind of sharp right there. So anything getting cut right there, it's just cutting right into the tire. So we're gonna pull it in, try and sand that down a little bit, smooth it out, and kind of get rid of some of this cutting action. Now, obviously, this is only a result of the 4-inch spacers. I did not scrub up here not one time when I didn't have the spacers on. So if I take the spacers off, completely takes it away. This is a direct result of the 4-inch spacers, but like I said, we're gonna pull it in and get it knocked out so we won't have that issue anymore. Truck is all finished up, great news. So hopefully I won't be cutting into the tires much anymore. I'm on the way. I got a 45-minute drive to North Atlanta because I'm gonna go get my hair cut. My normal dude, Steph, is in class today. I know he's already finished with hair school and everything, so I don't know what class he's in, but I guess maybe it is hair school. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, he's all the way on the north side of Atlanta, and Christina's birthday's tomorrow, and I need to get my hair cut. Look at this, look at this. I need to get my hair cut. This is like, I need a good fade. Y'all remember, those of you that remember last time, Steph always does a great job at Steph Styles ATL. I'm gonna pop his information somewhere on on the video on the screen right there, so you guys can go check my man out. If you're in Atlanta and you need a good cut, check him out. He's in Marietta normally, where his normal shop is at. He's not there today, or obviously it would take me 30 seconds to get to his shop from my house, but we're gonna make the 45-minute drive because of two things. One, he's the fucking dude, and he cuts really good hair, and he's the only person I trust in Atlanta with this hair right here, the famous hair. And two, it's Christina's birthday tomorrow, so I want to make sure we're looking good. I cleaned the face up a little bit, other than this like huge, just what the hell is this on my face? I've been eating too much chocolate or something. That chocolate milk probably finally getting to me. But we're taking the 4-inch spacers out on the interstate for about 15-20 minutes. I'm a little scared, but Steph, I'm on the way.
I just want a bag like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor.
Ooh. Oh my goodness, huge shout out to my boy Steph. Got me, oh man, best barber in ATL, I swear to God. Y'all need to go check my man out. If you're local to the area, stop playing. Hit up my guy, he's gonna get you right. But now we got about a 45-minute, probably longer than that, drive home in traffic. Yeah, that ATL traffic about to hit different. I'm not really looking forward to this. Gas prices are definitely going up again, but we are sticking true to the 93 octane in the trucks. Sticking true to it. If you guys enjoyed the content today, you guys are the best. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.